Looking for a reliable and comfortable ride? Well, meet the Caroma 560W electric scooter. It's equipped with a 350W brushless hub motor peaking at 560 watts. It reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour, handling inclines up to 10 degrees with ease. It's powered by a 36-volt, 5.2 amp hour lithium battery. It offers a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge and recharges fully in just 3.5 hours. It rides smoothly on 14-inch pneumatic tires with dual suspension, absorbing bumps for the comfortable journey. Now, safety is paramount with dual disc brakes, ensuring quick and reliable stopping power. It's got an adjustable soft seat. With a 9.5-inch wide deck, providing comfort for riders of various heights. It does have a foldable design which makes it easier to store and transport, so it's perfect for that urban commuting. Additional features include a rear basket for carrying essentials and bright front and rear lights for nighttime visibility. The Caroma 560W electric scooter combines performance, comfort, and convenience for your daily commute. If you have any questions, drop them below. We're also going to leave a link in the description if you're interested in the Caroma 560W electric scooter for yourself.